Alright guys, so I'm on my way to Best Buy right now just to pick up the thing. This is how this is how the place is this is how the place is looking. Shit, I don't even have on my seatbelt cords. Yeah. Like it's pretty. My screen, my thing is not fully cleaned off. My window. So you're seeing a little bit of snow thing on my window. Yeah. But that's what's going on. It's beautiful. Like I love my ears killing me. Like I love seeing it like on the trees and stuff like that because it's beautiful to look at. But I don't like driving in it. Hate driving in it. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pick up the thing from Best Buy, and then I try to call the place for the food, but they're not answering. They're not answering. So what I'm gonna do is I have something at Walmart. I'm gonna try to see if I can pick it up. You see the risk that I'm taking right now, leaving my house to come into this. But as I said, the road's not bad, so they did a good job on the road. It's just the sides. Man, it's it's crazy up in here. I can't wait to get home. So I ordered the food. I'm gonna go pick up the food. Shit. And I think, because I needed to go to the bank. Hey guys, I got this USB-C digital multi-port adapter, thinking that I could use it on my computer, like use it and put like my SD card, but I can't use it for that, so I don't want it. I don't think I want it because I can't use it. I'm gonna have to look at Best Buy back and see what I was looking for, because this is bull crap. About $70, so it was not cheap. It's coming down, down, down. I can't wait to go home. Drink some NyQuil and get in my bed. Alright guys.
There be.
So I don't know how I'm gonna get out of here. We're gonna have to dig or something like that because I don't know how I'm gonna get out. I don't know how I'm getting. Man, this is the road.
Imagine if I had to walk to school on the sidewalk.
My hands are killing me just to scrape the damn, what do you call it?
The snow.
The snow from underneath the car. Like, this is crazy. I want to be back inside.
Well, you imagine being in there.
But we have to get out. So right now,
the roads are better.
Right now I'm going to go get gas. And then after gas, we're going to go to the grocery store. All right, guys. So we got gas. So now we're gonna go get grocery shopping. We're gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping. All right, guys. So this is what the road's looking like. I am beyond scared to drive in this crap. It's not even funny.
Look at the pile right there. I want to jump in that.
The mall has, wow.
I would jump in that.
So, and this is not even the end. We do have another winter storm that's coming in on Friday. So we're expected to get, you know, more snow and so forth. So
Could you
it's
climb
crazy.
up that hill?
Crazy, crazy, crazy. Like, it's pretty when it's not dirty. You know, so.
Isha, could you climb up that hill right there?
Yep. So we're gonna head to Winkle, and then after
I would
Winkle,
slip.
we're gonna be going to Costco. And then after that, I'm just gonna go home and just lay in bed. Lay in bed. Alright, guys, so we're still on the road. We just finished grocery shopping. We're heading home. We're gonna try to drop off some of the things. And then once we drop off some of the things, we're gonna head to Walmart. Or head to Costco, actually. And grab some water. And then we're gonna head to... And then we're gonna head to Walmart. I have a headache. It's not even funny. I have a bad headache.
I am drinking delicious Liquid Death Mango Chainsaw.
I don't know what he just did, guys, but he did something. Anyway, we're almost home.
Sponsor us.
I really hope that we don't get... What is this? Christmas tree peak up.
Oh, it's
They're
that.
picking up Christmas tree already and Christmas hasn't even finished.
I saw Christmas trees.
Guys, can you believe I didn't do no Christmas tree? I did.
And I made Christmas ornaments.
We were supposed to, but I don't know. Maybe we can. I don't know. I'm not gonna do it.
Last minute Christmas tree.
My car is so low.
Oh, I hate this road. The apartment do better.
And then we have to take that hill to go down.
Slide.
Let me see.
You don't want to take this way?
I could have. It's not that bad.
Here.
All right, guys. So this is all. This is some of the stuff that I have gotten so far. I still have to carry the water, but that's it. So I'm just gonna try to pack them out right now. I'm so tired. All right, guys. So this is my cabinet. I kind of organize it a little bit. Yeah. So I don't know. That's the best I can do.
It looks really good compared to how it was.
So yeah. So what I'm gonna do now is finish trying to put away the other stuff. And okay, guys. So I forgot to show you what the fridge is. So I just organized the little that I can.
Made some syrup.
Oh, I made my sorrel drinks for Christmas.
It is good.
So yeah, that's it. That's it so far. So yep. I'm seasoning up some chicken so I can fry some chicken maybe tomorrow.
It smells delicious, guys.
And then of course I have
That smells good too.
the curry goat here. And this is the rest of my sorrel. It's just soaking. So yeah, that's what's going on. Right now I'm just gonna finish cleaning up. I'm gonna try to comb Aisha's hair, get her showered and so forth. So that's just what's going on. So I'm just gonna go ahead and conclude this vlog here. So thanks again, guys, for watching. Just thanks for showing, you know, the love and so forth. And yeah, you guys have a fantastic rest of your day. Bye.